Blessed good day, people. Well, today we are meet up. Blessed good day, people. So today we are meet up with African Tigress. She's an from Africa. So yes, guys, we are up on the beach today. We do a cookout. So as you can see, me and Stigma Boss about the place, yeah. Yes, Rasta. So go and stay tuned. Big up on yourself. See what I go on. And make sure to invite a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, some of them read me already in the best health, you know, because you know, me leave home normal and then all of a sudden my sinus start play around with me, you understand? So, in the morning, you know, I go. I want to see me towel for my shoulder. Right, my face guy plays hot. Yes, Rasta. So as I was saying, so we are meet up with African Tigress today. So guys, make sure say you know invite friends over to subscribe. And as you know, we reach 1K. So go and bless up on yourself. Stay tuned. And so I go and have a piece of phone I use when I saw 100 as me. So I know I'm going to try get a phone. I don't know how, when, what time, where. So guys, if you're not seeing me posting, you know why I'm not posting, because I doesn't have a phone. Because I have to edit my videos on my phone. Yeah, and the phone screen broke up completely, and you have a time it just get black. You can't see nothing. You can't do nothing at all to it. You can't use anything. So yeah, when you see me not posting for a minute, don't forget to me forget about you know just don't say go and do the right thing, because my phone now work. And if you guys can get me a phone, I will appreciate it. Thank you so much. Blessings. Going to the river. I want to see them or something, yeah? Nice water. I want to can bathe in it. Yes, that's so the queen there. Nice water. Right. Can drink from that and everything, you know. Oh, watch it free. Yes, she made it across. See it free there, you know, we take on the track, you know. Down on the river. This is way Dover. And not a beer. Right, this way there, you know what I mean? See the thing go. Last time I have camp down here, man. House down here. Yeah, see. Long time I see them something there, you know. A long time. Them something look like where them store water. And them something there right now. People live there, I mean, house down here. Guys, I say, oh, we have to walk underneath the tree. I saw me that I couldn't see it. She come underneath the tree. It's hard to come under me and tell you so I feel like I need mash up. And guys, we are head close to the chocolate. I want chocolate sip on the tree. This is a chocolate tree. One chocolate. See there? One chocolate. Thought there was more. Chocolate, yes. Yes, yeah. It's not right. That one is green. Yes, it's like a tour. It's like a tour in the forest, you know. So for all of the persons who love them thing here, who love nature, this is for you guys. It's a nature walk. That's what I say. It's a nature walk.
We are almost there.
We're almost there, I guess. I hope so. Because this is a lot of journey for me, you know. I don't do them type of walking here. I can't hear the river down this, so I'm going with itself. Not sure if I'll be going in the water though. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh. So I so much milk, I have to grab 2 pills a while ago. That's what I say. Because I can't afford for this mash up my day, you know. Because when I decide to eat hard, I eat hard. You know what I mean? So, go and stay tuned. till we reach down on the river. I want to see what we all about for today. What fall off the tree? What's been on them? You there? Some stuff will fall off of the tree. The guys will get in there, boy. There's a piece of walk we never planned for. There's a piece of journey right now. Me need them at earth. Me say me I get whole, brother. Why sound at the river no sound bad? Me I ask Christ. Like it's gonna be one good piece of liquor beer, you know? Holy smoke! Yes, brother, see eh? I have falls, so I come like one time we go down St. Mary at the river down here, so I see what I go on there, you know? That's like that right now. I want bamboo. So one journey with me and see what I go on. Yo, my hot brother. But take off them shoes because right now my foot them tired. And the little piece of road that we are walking on, I'm afraid. Yes, yes. Wow, me good? Long time I don't see you now. Long time I don't see you. One for Aki Aki and something there. Flower. Me hot. Yeah, nice piece of river out there, so. Hello. Get there. Nice piece of. And I clean up in chicken and something there. Nice, because surrounding, you know, walking far, but a good little piece of spot. You know? Can I take a good look wash off at one point sometime down there? Coconut are great to the summer food there right there, so. All kind of sitting there going pumpkin, sweet potato. All kind of sitting. Yes, Rasta. I see fire catching the water there. I never see them as something like people. Only in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Only in Jamaica, you know, see them something here.
Yeah, man. Only in Jamaica, you know.
Yes, Rasta. Hot Rasta. Oh, plastic.
T-Bob. T-Bob.
Yeah, the female agator. Listen to them, Mr. Colors.
Take your time.
Yes, man, respect, man. See, straight colors, yeah? Big up for the self, man. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of the river and idea. Hold on my body. I'm going to see them. I go and blaze hybrid food fire that. Hybrid food fire over there, so. Meat a cook over there, so. Alright, when you see them, I never see it around the world. Jamaica is a unique place, you know, very unusual, bro. Yes, Rasta.
I think you can have this later. What do you think?
Oh, you guys are bloggers stuff?
Yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
Kim Vlogs.
Eh?
Kim Vlogs.
Kim Vlogs?
Yes.
Okay, Kim Vlogs.
Yeah.
Wait, you have to watch it?
Yeah?
Have to watch it.
Yes, man. And he's Stigma Boss.
Eh?
Stigma Boss.
Stigma Boss.
Yes,
Okay,
man.
I usually watch follow.
Thank you. Yes, man. River nice. Get the river nice, bro. Today. It's a lot of walk, you know. Place nice too. For the people when I say, as I say, who love nature. This is for you guys. It's a nature walk, you know. It's a nature walk. Long walk for come down here, door. Bro? Don't like me to walk, so?
Anybody can
Anybody?
All right. So we're gonna set fire, another fire here in the bush.
See there? Only thing out there today, you know.
From the preparation of bananas. And in case this is your first time, or in case you're seeing me for the first time, I'm African Tigers. I'm a travel content creator from Kenya. I'm now visiting Jamaica, country number 45. I'm just trying to visit as many countries in the world and share my culture and also learn from others' culture. That's why I'm sharing today how to cook MATOKE. MATOKE, that is it. Okay?
This is a unique fire. We have a fire in the tree. You never see fire in a tree in Jamaica. Fire in a tree in Jamaica.
It's unbelievable,
And if
right?
you catch it now, stop blazing, man, because
it
it's dry.
blazing, but it can't stop.
Oh,
I'm telling you, that's his house, yeah. Yeah.
so,
Okay.
yeah, if you catch it now, stop blazing.
Hey!
Very unique. Jamaica is a very unique place.
I'm
Man.
telling you, oh
See
my
a lot
God.
of stuff that you don't see across the world. Don't.
I'm telling you, oh my God. Unbelievable.
Stop burn, man.
Yeah,
So that
because
burn go
it's
all
try,
the way
yeah.
down?
All days it a burn.
Nah, stop. I can't put it
And see it a blaze, it a the breeze a blow, the breeze blow.
Mine set a forest fire inside.
Yeah, oh God.
Them I can't take no tree no fire, man.
Okay.
Damn. And I get no tree no fire. The turf burn. And if it drop, it's not going to wet. It pick up. I'm American.
Water look nice though. I have clothes in it, but I don't think I'm touching the water. Never plan, kind of plan. Depends on the organization. Depends on how long I'm gonna be here and all of that and all of that and all of that. So this is what's going on and what's going on. I understand. What a nice one. Nice little place, huh? But the one thing, the journey to get here. The journey. I don't have the need them for them walking here. Journey is too much for me. I'm getting old. Oh my God.
Unbelievable, eh?
Such a unique place.
He's going down.
So when I put a breadfruit in it to roast.
Yeah.
If you get it right.
Else.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Try to still have this water water there, you know. You know what the thing you do.
I need a little bit certain you're going to have the bananas. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That feels faster.
Huh?
That's faster feeling.
That's not how you feel it. Like.
That's how I feel it, but sometimes it just
Okay.
yeah, especially when you don't want the stains to go under your nails.
Okay.
Yeah. Although this one that is done is faster.
So
Okay.
that means you don't put your African with the banana. Just check in and see. Good. Yeah.
Yeah, still say it, brother. You look at the phone.
Okay.
Fire they all go to the real bush there, man. Fire they all over the place. What's going on there?
That I really hated whenever it should be assigned to me growing up. When I would go to the countryside and then we cook. I didn't do
So I have one day, riverside, nice. It's a slippery though, never drop. Slippery. So I'm gonna need the river, they place in the meat, you know. So I'm gonna need the river. Fire there, blaze. Take up on fire there. You know, Tingo. This is Jamaica. You can't get hungry unless you choose so. I mean, yeah, that hurt me from last night, you see. Be a crazy is going on every time. The man in the bush up, I say sit down, brother. Oh God. Oh God, nobody hurt me. Whoa. Who next? Who next? You know what I mean? The food and what the quality they find the fire and go and see thing. How to roast breadfruit in Jamaica. You never know now, you know. Right, that's so. You never see them sitting there riverside, anything. Tigress over the side of the African railways, man, see? Another water king. Banana them,
Yeah, get back.
huh? May not get none from each other for running because when you want to get back no more. Hello, can you get me?
Excellent. Nice is okay, but let's have till my boss.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah, well, yes, sister, what you say? I eat.
Excellent.
Excellent. Yes, man, so yeah, go, you know. Go subscribe, you know.
Okay. How's it?
You don't want to meet.
You don't want no meat?
Yeah, all in one like something. Yes, sir.
I'm coming to get my...
And my time next, because I have to get my teeth.
What did you know it's ready? From my distance, come up and...
Light, you know.
It tastes like mackerel. You taste it?
Yeah.
Like mackerel gravy.
Nice, yeah, nice.
Bad like good.
I don't know, say start.
Rundown. Lovely. And I want do
Yeah,
that.
man.
You wanna taste? You wanna taste? Yeah. So we also everybody gets a taste.
Yes, yes, that's an African Union.
Tiger.
No. The meal, you know. The food, I can't call it brother.
So do we serving for everybody?
No, we have enough for plate, so that's why.
Okay.
So we have to eat and
Wash.
wash out and serve somebody else.
Okay.
Everybody have to have a taste. You know, say, this not gonna work.
You want more?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah. I need iron. That can for a giant.
Let us do our food are coming out.
Oh my God.
We have to bad plate them here.
Okay.
See, here people are going for the African food.
That want to make you a plate. It's one side for early.
Everybody to get a little taste.
Yeah.
But the try I'm also going on, man.
Nice, you know? Try, man.
All right.
That is it, man. Nice.
So once we done, we get a plate. I want Collas to taste it. I want him to tell me what he thinks about it because he said he doesn't like bananas. So I want to see if he would like mine. This nice.
Yeah, nice. Man, not tell no lie, man. But then we saying boy banana and stick and dash the boy banana and just eat this.
Yeah, this is nice than just boiling it. So some people just boil it.
Hold on, man.
Hold on.
No, sir, it's serious. It's serious.
Pull up into them. Sorry.
Okay. A little bit for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put some of this. Give me some MATOKE for me and him, right?
MATOKE, make me talk it.
Put some.
Well, it's my plate over yesterday.
Run with it. You know, hot man. Come now, that is it, man. I said me on the come from.
No, it's a
I must send me. Give one more spoon to me.
What do you mean?
All right. Let's see. Let's get colors things off my MATOKE. I'm gonna start some more. Okay?
See there right now, we are trying African.
MATOKE, yeah.
MATOKE.
Yeah.
That African tigress.
Yeah, Kenyan dish, you know? Kenyan dish.
So, you say, boy, let me not lie about it. Banana, the tomato,
Yeah, man. Onion
scallion,
and scallion.
she stir it up nice and I add rice.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Serious, I think.
How's the MATOKE?
I said, "Pick up your name, water for me."
Great stigma boss there, you know, so go and big up on yourself, you know, down on the river there with the car. We have to do put in the work, you know, to get it out, you know what I mean? But then still a story all about the place and them things there, you see me? Fresh down roast. Breadfruit down roast. Chicken and fried soup over there, so. A be things that go on the river and I do. You see me?
What you gonna do?
Look here, you know some pepper and put on it.
15 powder dumpling, the dog need, I mean flour. Dumpling like dirt in a pot, watch it free, could they? That means dumpling in a pot there. Dumpling in a pot, I see people on guest venue. Tigress.
Hello. Nice meeting you too. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.